So, you've been watching my channel and you want to know how to get into the real estate industry. Now, personally, I've toured houses for 90 million, 23 million, and even I've wondered to myself, what does it take to become a real estate agent in Jamaica? Well, look no further because today I am going to be clearing all of those queries up. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, entrepreneurship, finance, real estate, and life in general. Today I'm going to be answering a frequently asked question, and that is how to become a real estate agent in Jamaica. So go ahead and hit that like button and join our community because we are on our way to 600 subscribers. Let's get into the video. Step 1 is actually to take the real estate salesman pre-licensing course. Whew, that was a lot to say. This is usually a course for first-time real estate agents and is provided by the Real Estate Training Institute of Jamaica. So what you want to do is contact the Real Estate Training Institute and get a hold of the cost and the times when classes will be held. Now, big surprise! You don't actually need a college degree to become a real estate agent. So if you're watching this right now and you have a passion for homes and you think you can be a really good sales agent, go ahead and take the course. Now, at the time of recording this video, the course currently stands at 70,000 JMD. That's around 550 USD to say the least. Now, once you've paid for the course, you're gonna receive your course material. Now, it's a regular setting just like college, so you're gonna get course material, you're gonna have lecturers, tutors, as well as specific times when classes are held. Step 3, ladies and gentlemen, is to do your exams and get your real estate license. Once you do this, you actually have two options: to operate independently as a real estate agent or to become a part of a real estate brokerage. Now, honestly, there's not much benefits in being an independent real estate broker because a lot of countries don't even allow it because of so many scammers and unscrupulous people. So what you want to do is to weigh your options. My recommendation would actually be to become a part of a brokerage company that already exists. Now, you can find a bunch of real estate brokerages anywhere, from Facebook to Google to Instagram, anywhere there's a media platform. Some of the examples of real estate brokerage companies here in Jamaica would be 21st Century, Taylor Williams, Corazon, Millennium Properties, and the popular CB Realty, also known as Coldwell Bankers. Now, the next question you might be asking watching this video is, okay, is a real estate broker a company or just a person that would be your boss? Now, the real estate broker is a company. However, persons who operate under that company have taken the education to go beyond being a real estate agent, and they actually have what's required by state law or the country's laws, and they have a broker's license because they have taken and passed their broker's license exam. Now, similar to a real estate agent exam, depending on the country that you're in, you're gonna have different education material as well as exam requirements. Now, the extra coursework that you would have to do as a broker would be ethics, contracts, taxes, insurance, and a more in-depth level than what a real estate agent would have been studying in their pre-licensing course. Now, the benefits of working with a brokerage is that you're not trapped under someone's heel like a big boss. Actually, majority of brokerages actually give you that option to be flexible and market yourself as an independent realtor. However, legally you are under that brokerage firm. So that means that on social media, whenever you're promoting this piece of land that you have to sell, or a home or a rental, persons would be seeing you as the independent agent selling that property. I'm going to be getting into the benefits of joining a real estate brokerage. However, before I do so, please remember to go ahead and hit that like button as it helps my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I do post videos like these at least once a week. Some of the benefits from working with a real estate broker are established brand presence. Now, as a new agent on the block, fresh out of exams, just think about how beneficial this can be for you, especially since your broker already has a market reputation. Number 2, facilitated training. Now, yes, we know you did your exams, you passed, you're a genius. However, I always say the best experience comes from on the field experience, and that is by mentoring, being in real life situations, and being a part of a brokerage firm provides that, because you have agents that have been in the industry longer than you that can provide some expertise or tips when it comes on to operating in real estate. Now, this mentorship can actually help you to shape your career and avoid making common rookie mistakes. Number 3 is networking. Now, obviously, if a company was established in 1992, it means that they've been around a pretty good time, and chances are they have a huge network. This network helps them to receive business very easily, and additionally, it helps them to identify, buy, and sell homes like that really quickly. So because you, the new realtor, are a part of that brokerage, you're now seen as a sub-agent of that company, right? And because that company already has a good reputation, you have an easier way of getting clients' trust. Now, as a new agent, deals that would have been entirely impossible because nobody knows you are now suddenly attainable. So you can be fresh on the block with your realtor's license, and you can be selling $35 million homes because you are under the umbrella of an already good reputation. Now, if it is that you went with option A and you decided to work independently, every single thing that I just mentioned right now is going to be your responsibility, including marketing, building a reputation, handling legal transactions, documentation, all of that. You don't want to have to deal with that. Time is money, and we have things to do, honey. We have houses to sell. So it can be pretty difficult, as an independent realtor to break the ice. And like I said, in a lot of countries, it's probably not allowed anyway. I'm going to be wrapping up this video, but if it is that you want to learn more about the real estate licensing process, commissions, profit calculations, experiences, etc., I just filmed a podcast episode also around the time of recording this video with Miss Anissa Ford. So the video will appear somewhere on your screen. Go ahead and click that, and also subscribe to my podcast channel, because over that channel I do go in depth with professionals from all over in different industries. That's it for this week's episode, guys. I will see you guys next week. Bye.